Lightscreen AI is the latest game changer in the AI software space, and today we're diving deep into the 7 things you absolutely need to know about it. This software just dropped, and it's already creating a buzz, so let's see if it's really as good as everyone's saying. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Lightscreen AI is a tool you can't miss, or just another overhyped release. First off, Lightscreen AI is designed to revolutionize how you handle content creation, data analysis, and workflow automation all in one seamless platform. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or small business owner, this software promises to streamline processes, saving you both time and money. If you want to try it for free, check out the link in the description below. Now, what sets Lightscreen AI apart from other tools out there? Let's break it down. Lightscreen AI offers cutting-edge automation for visual content creation. It's not just about text generation like many AIs today. Lightscreen focuses on automatically designing and optimizing images and videos for you. This is perfect for those of us who struggle with graphic design or want a faster turnaround. And yes, the AI learns your style over time, so the more you use it, the more tailored your creations become. Another huge advantage of Lightscreen AI is its user-friendly interface. When you first open the app, you'll notice how easy it is to navigate. You don't need to be tech-savvy to get started. In fact, its intuitive design makes it accessible even to people who have no background in AI or design. Lightscreen AI also excels in analyzing and optimizing content. It looks at your data, suggests improvements, and helps you make smarter decisions, whether you're dealing with marketing campaigns or customer engagement strategies. This means you're not just getting a software, but an intelligent assistant that helps improve your workflow in real time. One of my personal favorites about Lightscreen AI is its ability to work across multiple platforms. Whether you're creating for social media, blogs, or email marketing, this tool helps tailor your content for each channel. It even gives recommendations on what type of content performs best for your target audience. But what about pricing? Now, the great thing about Lightscreen AI is that it offers a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. While it does have a premium version with additional features, the free version is surprisingly powerful for most users. The AI's content suggestion engine is also a game changer. It doesn't just spit out random suggestions, it tailors them to your brand, making sure everything aligns with your goals. This is especially beneficial if you're running marketing campaigns or trying to boost your social media engagement without having to constantly brainstorm. Lastly, Lightscreen AI integrates seamlessly with other popular tools. Whether you're using Google Analytics, WordPress, or social media scheduling platforms, it works hand in hand with your existing software. So, you won't have to worry about a complicated setup or a steep learning curve. So there you have it, the 7 crucial things you need to know about Lightscreen AI. In conclusion, it's clear this software has the potential to save time, boost productivity, and help you create more effective data-driven content with minimal effort. If you're looking to take your content game to the next level, Lightscreen AI could be exactly what you need. And remember, if you want to try this software completely free, the link is right below. I've tried hundreds of AI tools, and Lightscreen AI ranks up there with the best. If you're still undecided, check out the other software recommendations in the description. These are tools I've personally tested and believe will truly help you grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.